Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up selling cash secured puts on Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To set up selling cash secured puts on Fidelity, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Ensure you have sufficient cash in your account to cover the total cost of the puts you wish to sell. Navigate to the trading platform by clicking on the Trade tab at the top of the home page. Select Options from the Trading menu. In the Symbols field, enter the ticker symbol of the stock for which you want to sell puts. Set the action to sell to open from the drop-down menu. Choose Put as the option type you want to trade. Next, select the expiration date for the option contract. Review the available strike prices and choose the one you prefer. Ensure you have selected the quantity of contracts you wish to sell. In the Order Type section, choose the order type suitable for your trading strategy, such as limit or market. If you choose limit, set the price at which you want to sell the puts. Review your order details carefully. Make sure you understand the risks involved in selling cash-secured puts. Submit your order by clicking on the Send button. Wait for your order to be filled, and keep an eye on your positions in the Positions tab. Monitor the performance of your puts regularly to manage your risks effectively. Understand that you may be required to purchase the underlying stock if the option is exercised. If the puts expire worthless, you retain the premium collected from selling the puts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.